My time to go don dey near. Obasanjo. Welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, former President Olu Segun Obasanjo on Tuesday for Zamfara State don dey talk in parables about his death. E dey reveal say he don dey head to the departure lounge. Reports when he enter say former President Obasanjo dey Zamfara at the invitation of the state governor Dauda Lawal to inaugurate the reconstructed Yeriman Bakura Specialist Hospital for Gusau. While in dey praise Governor Lawal, the former president come talk say even though I don dey gradually dey go to the departure lounge, but I no go take my boarding pass until you and I get this state to become one of the leading states for Nigeria. E come hard. You ask me to come. I don come. I don see. But I no dey go anywhere yet. If you no invite me to Zamfara, I go invite myself regularly. For in speech, Obasanjo, who be 88 years old now, he come dey profile solution to the problem of mass relocation of medical personnel from the country. E dey suggest say make dem provide the medical people dem with incentives. Obasanjo come stress say without medical personnel, though the environment dey right and the equipment dey there, he say hospitals no go fit deliver. He come add say but when they provide incentives for medical personnel, e go address the japa menace. For hospitals, especially when many Nigerians when they don train as medical personnel, they dey japa. He say going out of the country to look for better conditions, he say how you go fit take hold them back. He say you must give them a bit of incentive. You have to. He say we need all the personnel when we go fit get because of our hospitals to deliver. He say you need the right environment. He say you need equipment and also you need the people when e go man this equipment. As they dey talk for the event, the governor Dauda Lawal, he come talk say the complete reconstruction of the Yeriman Bakura Specialist Hospital for Gusau, he say patients no go travel out of the state again to seek medical attention. According to Lawal, the Yeriman Bakura Specialist Hospital, they don fully upgrade am and equip am with state-of-the-art facilities when e meet global standard. This Obasanjo talk of imminent departure, e don dey make many people dey respond to the statements wey e make. Say the man dey recognize say nobody dey live forever, and as age don dey tell on am, anytime when God tell am now make him come, him go. He say but e go also good many of the issues when they dey ground, when they never explain finish to Nigerians, make dem use the opportunity while dem still dey alive to explain to Nigeria. E say e get many assignments during im ten ure wey e take place, and e get many things wey dey allege say na im give order make dem do. E say e go good if e explain dem. Other pipo come dey even dey mention names of pipo wey be say dem believe allegedly say the president get hand for wetin befall dem. Dem go say e go good too as dis departure lounge, even though from wetin e talk the boarding pass e never collect am, make dem throw light on all those things. Somebody come dey say nowhere you go take get flawless leader for the entire world. E say just like every human being, leaders too get their shortcomings. E say but Obasanjo e dey among Nigeria most respected ex-presidents. E say e contribute immensely to the growth of Nigeria and still remain one of the pillars of the country. Some others dey say Obasanjo na good and intelligent ex-president, although while he still dey as president, rumour come say e wan do third term, but the National Assembly that time dem come tell am say e no go work. Power, like life, e dey transient. So our leaders, if dem dey mindful say dem no go live forever like every other human being, e go help dem dey make good decisions when e go increase the life expectancy of the populace. E say e go help also to make dem too to rule with the fear of God. Look like now the issue of politicians dem wey dey jostle for 2027 when e still dey 2 years away to provide governance to tackle the challenges of hunger, of insecurity, of lack, of proper healthcare facilities, and all the challenges wey the country dey get. Na coalition upon coalition, na electoral talk, na how dem go take do 2027 for 2025, na we dey hear every day for TV, for radio, and even for the social media space. Nobody dey talk of good governance anymore. And these politicians sef, the way they dey talk, you go even dey think say tomorrow e belong to them. So like somebody dey opine, this Obasanjo speech na speech when every leader suppose to stay, sit down, analyze, so that e go help them. Just like the Bible talk when e say, Lord, because the time is short, make you teach us how to number our days. Somebody say, I know one day we all will kpai, but not now. He say, you are still very important to us. He come wish am good health and make e live well. It depends on who they talk, but there are also Nigerians when e love Obasanjo and they wish am well, say make e still live long. E come be like say Obasanjo dey use the latter part of im life to take ensure say Nigeria dey well. Country people, how you see this story?